I'm Curtis Cole, firefighter with Saylor Township Fire Department. This is old Betsy. She's a 1929 International, built by Boyer Fire Company. The first fire engine purchased by our township. Not exact 100% sure of the year that she was bought, but she's been kept in service by the firefighters and or kept running by the firefighters of our township. It's just nice to see that our first fire engine that started our history of apparatus still running and able to get up and drive.